How to remove Google account Infinix Smart 3 Plus without PC. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to remove Google account Infinix Smart 3 Plus without PC. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So this method actually works on all your smartphones or Android phones. So this goes without saying that what you need to do is to just head over to the settings of your phone. So right now let's head over to our settings right here, and then from in there just scroll down. So let's scroll down until you can see this Google right here. You can also click this user accounts, but I will choose this Google since this will redirect me directly to Google account. So click on Google right here, and then from in there you can see your Google account. So if you want to actually remove it, you can just click on these three dots right here, and then from in there you can see all of the settings on your Google, and you can select on restore and all of that. You can click on this icon right here and you can manage your Google account, and when you click on that you can see this manage accounts on this device. So click on that manage accounts, and then from in there you can see all the accounts on your device. So from in there just click on Google, and then click on the account that you want to remove. So for me, let's try to remove this VM Forms 3, and then from in there just click on the three dots, click on remove account right there, and click on remove account again in order to remove the account on your device. So that's the whole process. I hope this advice has actually helped you to remove your Google account on your device. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.